So let's have here. And on this part, I've got scammed. Yeah, I've got scammed because I ordered this because it was written as Big Bang Pegasus FD. Yeah, but I've got this. Then it said it's Big Bang Pegasus, but I know it's not Big Bang Pegasus, man. It's not. I bought you because you said you are a Pegasus, but it's not, man. You're really into Pegasus. I don't know what is this. Yeah, let's see. What is your name, man? I don't know. So for those people who knows this one, knows this because it's from the Metal Fight or the Metal Fight or the Metal Fusion, you can please help me write those in the comment section. What is the name or the real name of this Beyblade? Because I know it's not Big Bang Pegasus, man. You know, really, it's not. So yeah, to know this more, let's unbox this. Let's go. And that's it. I'm done unboxing. Because that's how fast you can unbox it. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, and it's only one plastic for all of the parts here. And I don't know. Oh, but it's nice, man. It's all black. Oh, that fire. That fire is nice. It can be like this or like this. It's all like that. Oh, then it's orange. And then the bottom part. Oh, I don't know what driver or whatever it is, but yeah, I will not use that. I'm on these more different ones. Yeah, let's go. Let's try this. Okay, so yeah, we have it here, and yeah, this part here is spinning. I just don't know what is this one. I will research it. But yeah, it's nice, man. I think it's more on defense. But the black one, it's all paint. Yeah, it will gonna chip here. We're just gonna chip in the battle. But yeah, let's see. So let's get our stages to have some battles and spin tests. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, we have here now your stadium. So let's try to have a spin test. Yeah, spin test first. Okay, before we'll have a battle. Right, you don't go. Okay, decent, nice turning, but I don't know. Maybe it will be destroyed. But yeah, let's go. Let's have a battle, and I would like to have a battle with this gold one, the Pegasus. Yeah, it's also a Pegasus, but this one I know it's not a Pegasus, man. Please write down on the comment section if you know the title, or you know the title, if you know the name, not the title, but that name. Yeah. Okay. So have this first, then the Pegasus next.